Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about PERT, Project Evaluation and Review Technique. Let's solve a question in order to know how to solve a PERT problem. Consider the following project. Here in this question he is asking us to find the path and standard deviation, also find the probability of completing the project by 18 weeks. He is asking us to find out the probability of completing a project in 18 weeks, and in the question he has given that activity time estimates in weeks. Already we have seen time estimates. What are the time estimates? Optimistic time estimate T naught, most likely time estimate Tm, pessimistic time estimate Tp, and procedure. By using this only, we will, sorry, this is not procedure, this is predecessor. This activity and predecessor. Now let's see the answer. First, we calculate the expected time and variance of each activity as in the following table. As already I have told in the algorithm that in the first step we will draw the diagram and we will find out the TE and sigma. Okay, once see here. Here I am just explaining how to calculate expected time TE and variance sigma square. Formula for expected time is T is equals to T naught plus 4Tm plus Tp divided by 6, and sigma square formula, variance formula is sigma square is equals to Tp minus T naught divided by 6 whole square. Now see, for activity A in the question, optimistic time is 3, most likely time is 6, and pessimistic time is 9. See, T naught 3 plus 4Tm 4 into 6 plus Tp 9 divided by 6. By adding all these 3 plus 24, 27 plus 9, 36 by 6, 6. In the same way, sigma square formula is Tp minus T naught by 6 whole square. Tp is 9 and T naught is 3. 9 minus 3, 6 by 6 whole square, 1. In the same way we calculate for B, C, D, E, F and G. If anyone had doubts regarding this calculation, you can get this PPT from the link given in the description box. And this is the example how I solved the TE and sigma square for one activity I have given here. If anyone had doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. First step, we have told that we have to construct a network diagram with the help of the predecessor relation given in the table. This is the predecessor relationship given in the table. Activity A and activity B, they didn't have any predecessor, which means they are the starting of A and B. Here you can get doubt of what is meant by activities. You will get, I already told in previous video, that is network problems. If anyone didn't watch that, I'll give the link in the description box. Please go through that video, then you can get to know how to draw a network diagram with activities and predecessors. Here predecessors means బిఫోర్ అక్కరింగ్ బిఫోర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఏ అండ్ బి దగ్గర ఏమీ ఏ ప్రిడిసర్ లేదు, విచ్ మీన్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ ఈవెంట్స్. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ డ్రాయింగ్ సి ఏ అండ్ బి ఆర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ first event. A and B are starting from first event. In the same way, C is the predecessor. A is the predecessor of C, which means C అనేది A నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. Here C is starting from A. So see, I am drawing C from A. Here D is starting from B. So from B event I am drawing D. In the same way, E is also coming from B. So from B we are getting D and E. In the same way, F is starting from C and D. Here C and D are joining, from that F is coming out. Same way, G is from E. So here E is from D. So From E, G is coming out. Here G is the ending event. How we get this duration? Uh, the value what I have written in the brackets is the duration. How we will get this duration means, I will show you the most likely time. This most likely time we will use as the duration. Now, what are these values in triangular box and rectangular box you can get? This is the latest time and this is this is the earliest time and this is the latest time. How to calculate earliest time and latest time means, always the initial earliest time will always be 0. So how we will calculate here means, see here, from 1 to 2. Here near 1 the earliest time is 0 and the duration is 6. So 0 plus 6, 6. In the same way from 2 to 4. Here the earliest time is 6 and the duration is 4. So 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. In the same way from 3, see here, 0 plus 5 is 5. And from 3 to 4, once we have to see here, 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. 4 is coming from both 2 and 3. Here how to select means, we have to calculate from 3 to 4 and 2 to 4. From 2 to 4 it is 10 and from 3 to 4 it is 9. We have to write here the largest number. Highest number is from 2 to 4. So we are taking here 10. We are neglecting 9. Same way from 4 to 6. Here 6 is coming from 4 as well as 5. Now first of all we have to calculate for 5. 3 to 5. See here near 3 the earliest time is 5 and near and the duration is 4. 5 plus 4, 9. And here the earliest time is 9. In the same way now we will calculate the earliest time for 6 from 4 and 5 also. First let us calculate from 4. 10 plus 6, 16. And in the same way from 5, 9 plus 6, 15. 15 is less than 16. So here we are taking 16 as earliest time. This is the procedure how we find out the earliest time. This was explained in the CPM. In the previous video I have given the link in description box. Please go through that link. Now let's find out how to calculate the latest time. Here at the last event the latest time and the earliest time are equal. So here the earliest time is taken as the latest time of 6th event and here the latest time is 16. Here how to find out the latest time means, here see 5 is coming from 6, which means 16 minus this duration. 16 minus 6, 10. In the same way from 16 minus 6 is 10. Here we have to calculate for 4. 4 is also coming from 6. So 16 minus this duration 6, that is 10. In the same way 3 is coming from 4 and 5. We have to calculate from both the values. From 5, let's see, 10 minus 4, that is 6. From 4 means 10 minus 4. This is also 6. These both are equal. So we are taking here 6. In the same way 2 is coming from 4, which means here 10 minus 4, that is 6. And here 1 is coming from 2 and 3. From 2 let's calculate once. Here latest time is 6 and the duration is also 6. So this is 0. And from 3 let's see. Here the latest time is 6 and the duration is 5. And this is 1. Here we have to take the least value 0. So here 0 is the latest value. While doing forward calculations, if there are any merge events, we will take the highest value. While we are coming from back, while we are doing backward computations, we will take the minimum value near burst events, that is about latest and earliest times. How we calculate the critical path? See here, where the latest time and earliest times are equal, those are called as critical activities, and the line which is passing through that critical activities is known as critical path. Here the critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6. Line what is indicating in the diagram is a critical path. Critical path is a path connecting all the critical activities is known as a critical path. The critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 4 to 6 or A to C to F. Given project length already in the question he asked us to find the probability of completing 18 activities. That means here TS is equals to 18. Same we will take here. This is given in the question. And in the same way, how to calculate the project length variance. How to calculate this means already we have calculated the sigma square for each activity. Here we are having the critical path near A, C and F. We have to add all these variances. 1 plus 0.444 plus 0.444. By adding all these three, we will get sigma square is equals to 1.888. In the same way, standard deviation means square root of 1.888, that is 1.374. Now, the probability of completing the project in 18 weeks is given by P of Z less than or equals to D, where D is equals to TS minus TE by sigma, which means due date minus expected date by variance. Now see, here TS is 18, TE is 16. How we get TE means, in this, what is the total duration means latest time and earliest time both are equal. Here we are taking this one as total duration which is taken for completing a project. So here T is 116 and sigma is 1.374. Here D. T means TS minus TE by sigma. 18 minus 16 by 1.374, that is 2 divided by, this is the calculation. And here Z is less than or equals to 1.4556. Here we have to see this graph. Okay, how to point this line means, this is 1 point means above the 0 positive value. Okay, so I am indicating here this is as 1.4556. Now how to calculate this means, in QT we will have the normal distribution table, right? Through that we will calculate this value. Here in normal distribution table, the table value of 1.4556 is 0.4256. Here we are adding 0.5. Why? Because it is near a positive place. So we are adding 0.5. Okay, by adding that it is getting 92.65%. Here we are seeing for 100%. In the conclusion, if the project is performed 100 times under the same conditions, then there will be 92.65 occasions when this job will be completed by 18 weeks. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel to get more videos.